Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that summers are here in full swing, we need to take care of our skin and maintain its healthy appearance. One of the biggest skin concerns for me during this time of the year is hyperpigmentation. Pigmentation of the skin happens when it overproduces a pigment called melanin. This is what gives our skin, eyes and hair its color. However, overproduction of melanin can result in pigmentation issues. Your skin may produce excess melanin due to a number of factors such as unprotected or too much sun exposure, hormonal influences, aging, dust and pollution or inflammation due to acne. Hyperpigmentation can actually show up on your skin in various forms such as dark spots, dark patches, uneven skin tone or even dark circles under your eyes. After years of working in the skincare industry and trying out multiple products and ingredients, I have discovered that the best way to fight off any uneven skin issues is this magical ingredient called glycolic acid. It plays a crucial role in interrupting the process of melanin production, especially in areas where excessive melanin is produced. My favorite and the most effective glycolic acid products that I've used are the L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum and the L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright 1% Glycolic Acid Face Serum. It's time to discuss how to achieve bright and beautiful eyes. Let's talk about the eye serum first. Usually after 20 years of age, our skin produces 1% less collagen each year with thinner under-eye skin. Constant sun exposure also enhances melanin production in the skin, leading to dark patches under the eyes. Let's not forget, insufficient sleep causes more blood flow to the eyes, darkening them in the process. The skin under your eyes is highly prone to pigmentation as it's 2 to 4 times thinner than the rest of your face. My solution is of course the L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum. Clinically proven to reduce dark circles, this eye serum tackles all the issues like a pro. With the golden ratio of 3% brightening ingredients like glycolic acid, niacinamide and vitamin CG. Glycolic acid is the poster child for anti-dullness. It exfoliates surface cells, promoting cell renewal for newer, brighter skin. Niacinamide blocks out melanin transfer to even out the skin tone and reduce the occurrence of dark circles. Vitamin CG, a powerhouse antioxidant, neutralizes damaging free radicals to restore radiant, healthy-looking eyes. You will see a visible reduction in dark circles within just 2 weeks of using this product. The wand is an innovative triple roller applicator that provides an ultra cooling, relaxing massage with the roller beads to depuff the eye contour. It glides easily on the eyes, boosting microcirculation to reduce dark circles. The flexible neck on the applicator optimally targets every angle of the eye contour. It is so easy to incorporate this in your daily skincare routine. All you have to do is gently massage under your eye area with the cooling beads. You can also apply the serum on top of your eye contour. Tap in whatever is left with your fingers. I like to use it every day to ensure the best results, and I highly recommend you give it a try for at least 2 weeks to reveal visibly brighter, healthy looking eyes. The L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum is specially crafted for delicate under-eye skin and is suitable for all skin types. On to the face serum now. With this intense heat, sun exposure is inevitable and it triggers the production of melanin as it acts like natural sunscreen by absorbing UV radiation to protect our skin from the harmful UV rays. Pigmentation can of course also be induced by hormonal imbalances. Melanocyte stimulating hormone MSH is responsible for triggering the melanocytes when estrogen and progesterone levels are elevated. That can stimulate the overproduction of melanin. I want you to understand that when the cellular renewal process slows down, dead skin cells are accumulated on the surface, creating a barrier that causes the complexion to look dull. The L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum contains this revolutionary ingredient, glycolic acid, which has the lightest molecular weight amongst all the AHAs for effortless absorption. It is truly inspired by clinical dermatologist peeling procedures. This serum treats pigmentation to reduce dark spots. You can clearly see the difference in the overall appearance of your skin within just 4 weeks of including this serum in your skincare routine. It is very easy to use. All you have to do is apply it on the face and massage it in, avoiding the eye contour. We have the eye serum for that. I would also recommend that if you're using toners and moisturizers along with this product, you wait 30 seconds to 1 minute between each application so the glycolic acid has time to absorb well and is not diluted with other skincare products. My skin now looks luminous with a visible glow. Many of my acne scars and dark spots are now history. I'm gonna link both of these amazing serums in the description box below for you guys, so you make sure to check them out. There are some exciting offers running on the L'Oreal Paris skincare range. So many of their products are absolutely amazing. I'm a huge fan of their hyaluronic acid as well. So you don't want to miss out on any of these offers. Everything is going to be in the description box like I said. Like this video if you enjoyed. I had so much fun sharing all of my knowledge on glycolic acid with you guys. I want you all to understand that you can have beautiful skin and affordable, amazing skincare is available to you. You just have to make sure to know which ingredient to use, how to use, and I'm here to recommend the best products to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!